Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Joey Wanayko from BS Ed Math. So in this video, we're going to perform the basic position where exercise begin. So before we start, don't forget to warm up first. Basic position where most exercise begin. 1. Feet together or feet parallel. The feet are about 1 inch apart, toes pointed forward and arms at the side. 2. Stride position. The feet apart about 12 inches wide. The stride may be made wider than 12 inches. The weight of the body is on both feet and the trunk is at the center, arms at side. 3. Lunge position. Bend one knee, the other leg straight, weight on both feet, hand on hips. 4. Half knee bend. Feet together, bend knee about 45-degree angle, feet flat on floor, body erect, hand on hips. 5. Full knee bend or squat position. The knee are fully bent, set on heel of the feet. The weight of the body is on the balls of the feet. Sitting position. 1. Long sitting position. Sitting with legs extended forward, toes pointed, trunk erect and hand on hips. 2. Hawk sitting position. Sit on buttocks, bend knees close to the body, trunk erect, hand on chin of the legs. 3. Long sitting rest position. Legs and toes are extended forward. Hand and the rear on the floor. Elbow and boy straight. 4. Tuck sitting position. Sitting on buttocks. Bend knees close to the body. Round back so that the forehead and the knees are in contact. Hold chin of legs. 5. Stride sitting position. Sitting on buttocks. Spread legs apart. Trunk erect. Hand on side. 6. Side sitting position. Sitting on buttocks. Bend right or left leg in front. Other leg extended sideward, hand or on knees. 7. Hurdle sitting position. Sitting on buttocks, bend right leg at the back about 90-degree angle, the other leg extended diagonal forward. 8. Heels set. From kneeling position, sit on the heels of the feet, toes pointed, hand on hips. Kneeling position. 1. Kneeling position. Kneel on both knees, knees close together, body erect, hand on hips. 2. Stride kneeling position. Kneeling on both knees with knees apart. 3. Half kneeling position, right or left. Kneeling or on left. Left is half kneeling position in front, hand on hips. 4. Kneeling position, one leg extended sideward, kneeling on one leg, the other extended sideward, forward or backward. Lying position. 1. Back or supine lying position. Lying on the back, the body is well extended, arm overhead, toes pointed. 2. Front or prone lying position. Body is well extended and in front of the body in contact with the floor. Toes pointed, arms are forward. 3. Side lying position. With the body well extended, the side of the body is in contact with the floor. One hand on the floor overhead and the other hand bent close to chest, palm on the floor, toes pointed. 4. Hook lying position. In a back lying position, bend knee with the feet close to buttocks. Feet flat on the floor, arm overhead. 5. Tuck lying position. Lying on the back, pull the knee close to the forehead. Hold chin of the legs. Arm support position. 1. Supine or back arm support. From a long lying position, lift the body with straight arm support. Body, legs, and toes well extended in one straight line. 2. Prone or front arm support. From a front lying position, lift the body to front arm support. Body, legs, and toes well extended in one straight line. 3. Side arm support. The body is supported with right or left arm. The body is well extended. 4. Base position. 1. Dog stand position. From a kneeling position, place the hand on the floor, elbows straight, toes pointed, and knee and hand are the base support. 2. Bridge stand position. From a hawk sitting, left the trunk, legs and arm in right angle with the trunk. Hand position. Number 1. Hand on waist. Place hand on waist, finger pointed from thumb pointing backward. 2. Hand on chest, palm facing down, thumb touching the chest, elbow in line with the shoulder. 3. Hand on shoulder. Bend arm from the elbow, fingertips during the shoulder, elbow in line with the shoulder, rib cage lifted. 4. Hands on neck. Bend arms from the elbow, place hand behind the neck, fingertips meeting each other, elbow in line with the shoulder. 5. Hand on hips. Place hand on hips, thumbs position back and finger pointing front. Arm position. 1. Arm forward. Raise arm forward with palm facing each other, hand in line with the shoulder, elbow slightly extended. 2. Arm sideward. Raise arm sideward, palm facing down, fingertips in line with the shoulder. 3. Arm upward. Raise arm upward, palm facing each other, elbow touching the ears, and whole arm in line with the body. 4. Arm oblique. Position: forward downward, backward downward, sideward downward, and sideward upward. 5. Arm in T position. T position, reverse T position.